This is our Madrone Burl signature flute in the key of F sharp minor. It's a 1-inch bore, and the Madrone wood has just a real pretty wood. It's just a gorgeous wood because each piece is very unique. It grows on the northwest coast of the country, and the burl tends to have much more flame in it, a lot of color. As you can see, it's just gorgeous. It is a hardwood, so it has a very clean and clear voice. It's a very responsive flute, and it takes very little breath to actually get the notes, so making it super easy to play.